Hi there, we are back again with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. And see here in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes because it's in one big square, so the 7 could be here or could be there. But I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. The other number is a 5. I see here 5. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. What I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 6 goes there. And then we go to the number 'In this row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those numbers are the 4, 8, and the 7. So no 4, 8, and the 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 4, 8, 7 goes in these 3 boxes. The other 3 numbers are the 1, 3, and the 6. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 6, I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. The 4, 8, 7 still one of these numbers. The 4, 8, and the 7. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 numbers boxes could be here. For the 1, could be there or could be here. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so no row between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. These 2 numbers should be the 8 and the 4. I marked them, 8 and a 4, those are pairs. That means the 3 numbers in this row, here cannot be an 8 because we have an 8 over there. Here cannot be an 8 because we have an 8 over there. So 8 should be here. And the other 2 numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 here. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. And then how about the number? This number, 1 missing box in this column for the number 4. These 2 numbers in this column, the missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2. Well. I think I need to mark some boxes. These 2 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. These 3 numbers, and the missing numbers are the 2, the 9, and the 4. 2, 9, and a 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 here, so no 2 and a 9 there. 1 digit left for the 4. Here the 2 and a 9. Here 2 and then 9 in the last column. Four in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, here 4, there from the missing 4s. Then here's supposed to be the 7s. 3 to 1. The 5 should be here. 5, 2, and a 9. 6, 5, 2. 2, 5. 'How about the number? Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. All the 3s are used, I see. How about the number 7 in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. I see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2, 4, 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And now I have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. So the 4 goes here, and the 8 goes there. 2 and the 9 are left in this big square. And look, we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2. No, we have a 2 here. The 9 and the 5. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then how about this number in this column for the number 5? We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 in this big square, and this should be the 6. 1 number left in the third row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this row, first row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 5. How about 6? These 3 numbers in this second row. The missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 7. 1, 6, 7. I see here 1 and the 7. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. Supposed to be in these 2 boxes, 1 and a 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left for here should be the 6. Here 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Remember that. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 5. How about the 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the first column, so the second column. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Now I have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be the 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. This should be the 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 7 and 5. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be there and a 5 goes here. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku 2 stars, I'm very pleased. Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the third Sudoku in this additional Sudoku with 3 stars. Thank you for now and bye bye.